Do you take advantage of hotkeys when using your computer? I've always got one hand on the mouse and the other hand's on the keyboard. So I'm sitting there and I'm tapping keyboard shortcuts like crazy, and my wife sees me do something and she goes, "How did you do that? That would save me so much time." Well, with this series of videos, you too can learn to be a keyboard commando. Hi and welcome back to ScottiesTech.Info. I'm Scotty with my co-host Cletus the Tribble. Today's hotkey is another one of my favorites that my wife taught me actually. I didn't know this one. Win-Shift-S. What that does is it opens the snipping tool. So you could click start and type snip and then click snipping tool as I've been doing for like years now. Or you could do what my wife says, Win-Shift-S. What that's going to do is open this little guy up here, and you can either snip a photo or a video, and then in this pull down menu here you can choose snip an entire window, the full screen, a freeform, or an actual rectangle. So we'll say rectangle, and then I'll just highlight the part that I want to capture, and that's going to put it on the clipboard. If you click the image, it opens it up in the snipping tool for editing, and you can also click the disk icon to save, and you're done. Check out the snipping tool. It has all kinds of crazy features, highlighting, markup, like all kinds of crazy stuff. But Win-Shift-S, if you have to do a lot of screenshots or you want to grab a chunk of text or an image like off the screen, no matter what app you're using, Win-Shift-S, boom, snipping tool, you're done. Now it may not seem like much, but keep practicing, and don't miss my other Keyboard Kommando videos. Master all the hotkeys, and before you know it, you will be computing like a pro. If you have a favorite keyboard shortcut, let me know in the comments below. And as always, like, subscribe to my Substack, and see links in the description if you'd like to make a donation to support my videos. Thanks. See you next time.